ሰላም ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? ዛሬ አንድ 12ኛ ክፍል ላይ የመጣ የኮምፕሌክስ ጥያቄን እንሰራለን። ቻናላችንን ፎሎው፣ ላይክ፣ ኮፒ ሊንክ እና ኮመንት በማድረግ ለጓደኞቻችሁ እንድታደርሱ እየጠየኩኝ ጥያቄው ምን ይላል? if z is equal to x plus yi is a complex number, then the modulus of z the whole square plus 1/2 times z minus z conjugate the whole square is equal to 1 is equivalent to which one of the following equation? A, x square minus y square which is equal to 1. B, x square minus 3 times I times y square is equal to 1. C, x square minus y square which is equal to 2. D, twice of x square minus y square which is equal to 2. Solution to solve the modulus of z the whole square plus 1/2 times z minus z conjugate the whole square is equal to 1. We have z is equal to what? X plus yi. Then the modulus of z plus z is equal to x plus yi is what? It is the square root of what? X square plus y square. Then squaring on both sides, and we have the modulus of z the whole square which is equal to x square plus y square. Now the conjugate of z will be z conjugate which is equal to x minus yi. Then the difference between z minus z conjugate which is equal to what? X plus yi minus x minus yi. Then x minus x it is 0. yi minus of minus yi it is twice of yi. Then squaring on both sides, z minus z conjugate the whole square is equal to twice of yi the whole square. When you squaring on both sides, we have 4 times y square times I square. Since I square which is equal to -1, then z minus z conjugate the whole square which is equal to what? -4 times y square. Then half of this one, or dividing both sides by 2, we have -2 times y square. Now substitute z, the modulus of z the whole square, and half of z minus z conjugate the whole square on the given equation. We have x square plus y square minus this is equivalent to minus 2 times y square which is equal to 1. Then x square plus y square minus twice of y square is minus y. Therefore the final solution is what? X square minus y square is equal to 1.